In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate international markets in Shopify. By the end, you'll have your store ready to accept orders from customers around the world with the right languages, currencies, taxes, and shipping in place. Start in your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look to the bottom left and click Settings, then choose Markets. This is the control center for where you sell and how you localize the experience for each region. If you've never used it before, you'll see your primary market and a list of inactive ones. Next, activate the international market. Under inactive markets, find the option labeled International. Click into it, then switch it to active. This tells Shopify that you're open for business globally and it unlocks all the localization controls you'll need. Don't worry, you can fine-tune the details as you go. If you want your storefront to speak your customer's language, add translations. Shopify's Translate and Adapt app lets you provide localized content for product titles, descriptions, navigation, and more. You can start with automatic translations and refine key pages manually for accuracy. This step is optional, but even a few localized pages can dramatically improve trust and conversion. Now set up your currency and pricing. In the market settings, enable local currencies like USD, EUR, or any regions you plan to serve. You can let Shopify convert prices automatically using live exchange rates or add price adjustments to round prices or protect margins. For example, you might add a small percentage increase in certain regions to account for higher shipping or handling costs. Consider enabling duties and import taxes if you want to collect those fees at checkout. Turning this on creates a clearer landed cost experience for customers. They'll see the total amount due before paying, which helps reduce surprises at delivery and can lower return rates. This is optional and availability may vary by region, but it's a strong convenience feature for international buyers. Finally, set up your shipping rates. Create international shipping zones and assign carriers and prices that make sense for your business. Popular options include DHL, USPS, and regional couriers. Offer clear delivery windows and label services consistently like standard, expedited, or express. Make sure your packaging and weight settings are accurate so rates calculate correctly at checkout. That's it. Your store is now ready to accept orders worldwide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.